Uniswap price prediction for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026. Hi guys, crypto investing here. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's begin. Firstly, let's find out what is Uniswap. Moving away from the conventional cryptocurrencies, Uniswap operates on a decentralized P2P exchange automated market maker, AMM, to enable the trading of crypto assets. Also, it improves traditional exchanges. Before we dig into the Uniswap price prediction, let us have a look at some of the unique features of Uniswap. Being linked to Ethereum enabled as two smart contracts to earn interest, Uniswap has a unique feature and provide liquidity directly from liquidity providers, LPs. This feature of Uniswap acts as a major catalyst in entirely removing the hurdle concerning token mining. In a manner, it promotes transparency, eliminating the middleman or permission entirely. Hence, instead of the individual cryptocurrencies, the digital assets are linked as pairs. Hence, the liquidity gets governed for these parts accordingly. As a decentralized protocol for automated liquidity provision on ETH, Uniswap took the entire crypto space by surprise when during pandemic Uniswap decided to launch this token Uni on September 17, 2020. This was magic for all those holding Uniswap as they turned millionaires on September 17, 2020. While taking the crypto world by storm, a wave of platforms governance token started ruling the crypto discussions again. Check out the Unicoin details before we jump to detailed Uniswap price prediction. Uniswap price prediction, 2022 to 2026. The current price of Uni is above $10. With the digital asset Uni token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563, it is undoubtedly an optimism in crypto space prevailing in the distant horizon based on Uniswap price forecast. The current ADH and new ADH will be having huge difference. Uniswap price prediction 2022. Having started late in just last year, the Uniswap price action will ride a bullish trend throughout 2022, will continue riding news waves going forward into 2023. Somewhere in between the years 2022 and 2023, the price movements of Uni/USD could be seen taking it to a higher point pegged at $15, followed by an immediate sharp correction by the end of 2022. Considering the first year, according to Uni price prediction 2022, the minimum price would reach to $12 and maximum price to $15. The average price would be $13.50. Uniswap price prediction 2023. Fluctuating between $14 and $17, according to Uniswap price prediction 2023. The price of Uniswap may show some resistance, but it can't be said with certainty about the positive change of price of Uni as to whether these 3 years would mark the golden era for this cryptocurrency Uni. There could be some significant changes in crypto industry scenarios, market positions, economic overruns, policy restructuring, or any other political reason for the coin to host its performance on exchange. Uni, however, is known to be resilient and consistent. Both global economics may too have their own effect on Uniswap price movement. According to Uniswap prediction, the minimum price would reach to $14 and maximum price to $17.20. The average price would be $15. Uniswap price prediction 2024. Some experts also predict, according to Uni price prediction, that price correction may also be effective around this period, taking the Uniswap Uni price around $18 in 2024, riding as a market maker. In the first half, the price would reach up to $18.50. Region-specific changes to affect the price of Uniswap. Hence, reaching towards its futuristic goals, one thing that can be guaranteed about the Uni token is that the stars are bright for this asset. Having revolutionized the entire global page of transactions, Uni token embarks on the voyage of leaving a remarkable footprint on this ecosystem. Uniswap price prediction 2025. As per Uniswap price prediction and our own research, some speculations around the price of Uniswap in 2023 also highlights that Uni would ride the bull market by 2025. Uni might even reach a new high of $22. Uniswap seems now to be racing to set a record, affirming its position, showing stability. According to Uniswap prediction, in the first half, it would go up to $16 and the maximum price would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap price prediction 2026. According to Uni price prediction, as this year is preceded by the mining event, there should be a bullish movement driving the price of Uniswap to continue towards a minimum price level of $25 for sure. In the first half it would reach to $24 and in the long term it would reach to $26. This should be a good Uniswap forecast attraction for traders and individual investors to pour in their money into UniKitty, and we might see positive price change. Where can I buy Uniswap? Uni is listed on all esteemed cryptocurrency exchanges, and these compliance exchanges allow you to directly trade Uni tokens for fiat currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, etc., or other cryptos like Chainlink on many exchanges. Does Uniswap have a future? Currently, the trading volume of Uniswap is $1,229,613,764, and the market cap of $21,045,755,194 in the crypto market. The current price of Uniswap is $10.26. If loyal investors stay firm in their faith in the currency, the Uni token price is surely going to rise and have a bright future ahead. Due diligence is also advised with all rights reserved. Why do people trust Uni? People have become aware that one cannot turn a billionaire overnight and they need to protect themselves from frauds. Hence they buy tokens based on the real performance of the asset on the exchange. This is all the more reason for you to put money in Uni. Can antivirus block my logging into Uniswap? Any unknown software is normally followed by an antivirus trigger. You can create an exception in your system for the same based on your browsing experience. Alternatively, you can put in your KYC authentication to proceed. Why Uni is rising? The credit for that goes to the faith investors have reposed in the asset. At the same time, it is a great reason that Uni is listed on the exchange to show a great performance. This triggers investor response and shows a great deal of motivational sentiment in the crypto market. No wonder the token shows a constant uprise consequently. Is Uniswap a good investment? According to Uniswap price predictions, it is advised that it all depends on the Uniswap protocol about investing in it, but one should always do proper analysis and study before trading in any coin. Hence, it can be a good investment advice. Also, it can be long-term Uniswap investment. How high can Uniswap go? According to Uniswap technical analysis, there are mixed Uniswap price predictions about this. Some investors' price predictions says that it will go up to $60 while some predict that it will go up to $38 in the long term by the year 2030. It might go very high as compared to the current price, and price increase would be seen. How much will Uniswap be worth in the year 2025? According to Uniswap price prediction, it is said that there would be price rise and Uniswap might reach to $85 and rule the Uniswap cryptocurrency market in the year 2025. Is Uniswap safe? Uniswap is extremely safe as it handles and create liquidity pools and has high volatility. It also operates decentralized exchange. Hence, one can buy/sell Uniswap without hesitation. Also, virtual currencies are highly volatile. That's it for today's video. Please like and share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.